Hello everyone, welcome to ARTMIND. This channel is a video series for installing ARTMIND, consciousness.art, in your brain. In this episode, we're gonna talk about Eduardo Kac, a mutaro by the way. So let's get started. Eduardo Kac is a Brazilian-American artist. He is known as a progenitor of bioart. According to a manifesto in 2017, bioart is art that literally works in the continuum of biomateriality from DNA, proteins, and cell to full organisms. In 1999, Kac made an artwork, Genesis. Kac translated a part of the biblical book of Genesis into Morse code, converted the code into DNA-based pairs, and transplanted the DNA into bacteria, and finally, it was reconverted into a text. There are two keywords to understand the artwork: transgenetic art and DNA storage. Let's check the website of Kac first. Transgenetic art, I suppose, is a new art form based on the use of genetic engineering techniques to transfer synthetic genes to an organism, or to transfer natural genetic material from one species into another, to create unique living beings. The next website is WYSS Institute. The genetic material DNA has garnered considerable interest as medium for digital information storage, because its density and durability are superior to those of existing silicon-based storage media. Recently, DOT has been garnering attention. According to NewScientist, in 2019, a 3D printed polyester rabbit has been embedded with DNA that contains blueprint for printing additional bunnies. This is a super rabbit. Some people might think that, what is the difference between art and technology in the first place? It's diversity. Kac thinks it is clear that transgenetics will be an integral part of our existence in the future. And more importantly, he said, I suggest that artists can contribute to increase global biodiversity by inventing new life forms. Art is a melting pot of diversity. There are so many types of art in the world. ARTMIND Season 1 is based on a perspective, art for human and art after human. Like Genesis, art after human is done by inventing new life forms. In 2014, Harari mentioned that we might fiddle with Homo sapiens to such an extent that we would no longer be Homo sapiens. It seems like a bad thing. As we talked about in episode 1, however, a bad thing is a good thing. New diversity will make new art, art after human. That's all for now. How did you like it? Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you next time.